Ketan Galate, working as a software developer at Y Technologies. Welcome to one more informative video on Raaghu Design System. In this video, we will see how to create an enterprise application using our powerful accelerator tools that are Design System, Toolkit and CLI. So let's start by exploring our Raaghu Design System. It offers a wide range of pre-built UI components and templates, ensuring consistent look and feel for your application. All you need to do is just drag and drop components to design interface quickly and efficiently. Next, leverage Raaghu Toolkit to speed up your development process. This toolkit provides essential libraries and utilities to help you build robust applications. Integrate the toolkit with your project to access a suite of powerful tools that streamline coding and enhance functionality. And finally, use Raaghu CLI to manage your project effortlessly. CLI automates repetitive tasks, making your workflow more efficient. Generate project files, run builds, and deploy your application with simple intuitive commands. And there you have it, an enterprise application built quickly and efficiently using Raaghu Design System, Toolkit, and CLI. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video. Happy coding!